Lila, go. You cold now? Stop. Go. Push the pedal, baby.
Push this right here.
For reverse. Push it.
Oh, whoa. What's that?
We should probably put batteries in the radio. But then she'd probably push the radio and drive at the same time.
You gotta hit the gas, baby.
Push it. Make her foot push it. 1, 2, 3. She's just afraid of where she's gonna go.
Alright, let's go inside.
So I take them off.
Huh?
Huh? What? Nope. This goes on the internet. Chuck. Okay, bye, guys.